Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today we got another BAUER video for you. Just like the last one, we're kind of in the BAUER Harbor Freight mode here. I'm going to be going over several different Harbor Freight BAUER tools. Today on the chopping block is the 6.5 inch circular saw. I have been in the market for a new circular saw for quite a while because I've been using my old Ryobi since 2014, and it's okay. But you just have to go slow with it and it's okay. So far, what I've tested on this one, I like it. We're going to go over the features, the runtime, talk about it, compare it to the Ryobi I got back here, just for comparison purposes, and see if it's worth the $50 or not. Hit that intro. Alright guys, right back into it. So, here we go. The BAUER 6.5 inch circular saw. Of course, I put a Hercules blade on there. It was a little bit better than the BAUER one that is for $6.99. So I bought the Hercules blade. At least it's carbide tipped. A little bit better of a blade. This is a brushed circular saw. This is a brushed circular saw, and they recommend that you use the 3.0 pack. With a circular saw, you should be using the biggest battery you possibly have. Like for the Milwaukee, using the 9 or the 8 or the 12. But BAUER only has a 3. So I picked up the 3, picked up the saw, fully charged up. Let's see about the saw. It's 4,000 RPMs, 5/8 inch arbor, 6.5 inch blade. It has guard thumb lock, standard thumb lock on it. Oops. There it is. It does have one LED light right there. See it? It does have a really nice brake. I like the brake on this. So here, listen. It's instant. Watch. Where my Ryobi doesn't. It takes quite a while to stop. Boom. Ryobi has that sweet laser action. Look at that. I'm just kidding. It does come with a metal guard. I think this is magnesium. It does have a metal shoe. Can you guys see the writing on there? Barely. It is full of sawdust. It does come with a guide, which is nice because the Ryobi did not. The height adjustment is back here. Standard location. Goes up. Goes down. I just have it like this because it's easier to keep it standing up. Front handhold. Here's a thumb brake on it. And like I said, the light is underneath right there. Now, where the Ryobi, the battery is on the right hand side. The BAUER, the battery is in the back. And just like the other tools in the BAUER line, you have to take the battery pack off to check the status gauge. We're going to start off, we have an older sheet. This is 1 inch thick by 4 feet particle board or MDF, whatever you call it. We're going to see if the BAUER can cut through this. So we are testing to see if it can even do it. Fully charged up. 3.0. Where does it say that? See it right there? 3.0 battery. Of course, that's what it is. BAUER only makes 2 batteries. Alright, test number 1. See how many cuts we can get in this 1 inch thick particle board. Did you see that? That cut that thing like butter. Holy crap. That little stall, that was me binding the blade when I was twisting it. I gotta get the guard on this thing. Going fast. Look at that. Put the guard on after 3 cuts, still full battery. That's pretty good. There we go. Cut number 4. Alright, it's 9 rips, do go for 10, check. Alright, that was 10. Check the battery. It's still full. What the hell? 10 rips of 1 inch thick, and it's still full. That's insanity. See how many rips it can do, a double stacked up, so 2 inch thick. Now, I know this isn't practical, but this is just for fun and for testing purposes. I got the 1.5 fully charged up. We'll do a few cuts here on this standard 2x2 standard 2x4 framing stud here. Just 10 cuts, see if it can do it. Here we go. All right, take 153. Did 5 cuts. Let's see if we can do 5 more. Here we go. Let's try 45. Now see, this is with the 1.5. I bet you with a 3 you'd do it no problem. Don't tell me it's already dead. 10 cuts and 2x4, it's down 1 bar, but it can't do 45 cut. Oh, almost got it. Let's do a couple more cuts. You gotta take the battery out to reset it. That's good to go. That's weird. That last one totally cut out. I think it's down to 1 bar, but it's illuminating the second spot because it's has such bright LEDs. Because that was a really weird sound. Did you guys hear that? Pushing really slow on this. So. Oh, That's about all the 2x4 I'm going to waste on that one. Let's see, we are down, yeah, 1 bar. And we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 cuts, standard 2x4, drain to 1.5. I mean, it's still not bad for a 1.5 amp hour battery, because nobody in their right mind would ever use a 1.5 on a circular saw. So there's the carnage. Chopping up the 2x4s. I like it.